Hey guys, welcome back to Tamiya Legends, and once again, thank you for stopping by. So we've got another members RC collection. This one's not only Tamiya, and I have to say this is probably the best vintage RC collection I've ever seen in one place. It's absolutely stunning. So first of all, a massive shout out to Martin in Quebec. Um, you're going to see over 100 cars, of which he's actually got about 175, but he's got a lot of projects. Within this collection, the majority is Tamiya, but you're going to see Kyosho, Marui, Nichimo, Team Associated, Team Losi, a Futaba, Traxxas, Axial, Latrex, CEN, Sportswork, and some toy grade Radio Shack, Tyco, and Nico. This is one hell of a collection. I just want to say a few things just that are important. So from the beginning of Martin's video up to 3 minutes 25, they're all shelf queens. After that, they're all runners, which is just crazy. At 2:11, you're going to see the Kyosho Gallop Mach 2, which is Martin's favourite car. That's his pride and joy. And one last thing before I stick it on for you guys. He has a Nichimo Luminous, which is a very rare car. If any of you guys know it, he's on the search for decals and a wing for it. He's been looking for years. So if anyone's got any Nichimo Luminous wing or decals, please get in touch with us. That'd be awesome. So as I always say, guys, go get your comfy chair, find your popcorn, and enjoy the next 5 minutes. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I know I did. I've watched it many times. I know I always say it, but as an overall RC and vintage collection, that one, I'm not too sure if it can be beat. If you can beat it, stick it in the comments below. Anyway, guys, as always, thanks for watching. It's really appreciated. If you are new to this channel, if you could please consider liking and subscribing to support us on our weekly videos, and smash that notification buzzer would be awesome. But most of all, guys, happy RC.